foam rolling your shoulders. Start with the anterior shoulder so they face down. So put your body and your shoulder right on top of that foam roller. Try to lift your hips up. Allow that arm to just go numb. Roll ever so slightly up and down on the shoulder. It's such a small muscle. It's not going to take much. And roll to the side. Adjust the foam roller so you're rolling on the side of your arm at the top where the medial head of the shoulder inserts or deltoid. And so rotate on that. Again, very small motion. Rotate the foam roller around. Try to hit it at a different angle. Find any tension points. You can move your arm a little more forward or back to adjust where the tension hits. And then adjust the foam roller to go on the rear delt. Roll it perpendicular to your body and rotate it to get that. And obviously rotate to the opposite side into the anterior deltoid shoulder on the other side of the body. And then again, rotate all the way around, repeating each movement, getting each part of the shoulder, the anterior, medial, and rear delt worked on. And that's how you foam roll your shoulder joint.